Hey, what's going on, Gyms? Jillian here from Gym Naturals, and before we get started today, I just have to introduce you guys to a brand new character on this channel, and that is this chair that I'm sitting on, because it is ridiculous. I'm gonna try to sit still during this video, but like, listen to this. It's disrespectful. So I gotta point it out. It's there. Y'all not gonna not be able to hear it now, but just so you know, it's the chair. Also, there aren't any frames in these glasses. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do a plethora of different things here. I do short form stories based on natural hair. I also do story times. I do Q&A, which is the series that you're checking out right now. So there is something for everybody on this channel. So this particular series, I encourage my subscribers to head over to my Instagram and DM me any question that they may have. Now, that could be about their natural hair care. I have experience working as an actor. I am an editor, all of that stuff. So all that stuff is up on the table. If you have a question, feel free to hop over to my Instagram and DM me a question and I will answer it in a video. So I don't think I took a breath throughout that entire thing, but I made it. So without further ado, we will jump into this week's question. And this week's question comes from Kita's Coils. And I don't know Kita in real life, but I feel like I do. So Kita, just so you know, you are now an honorary cousin, and I will be sure to send you all the information for the family reunion coming up. Let's check out her question.
Hey Jillian, hey Riley.
Hey girl.
Kita's Coils here. So quick question. You ever thought about giving a class or a webinar, paid webinar, on how you do what you do when you do the things you do in your videos? I'm a techie, a little bit of a techie, and I love movies and I love storylines like yours, and I would love to know, and I would love to learn how to do that and to learn all of the equipment and everything. I just think that would be just so awesome to get it from someone like you, who I know is going to be straight up with us and he's going to put it in layman's terms for us, even though I'm techie. Okay. Bye.
Okay, so before I answer that question, I got to ask, were you at work? You were at work, weren't you? I ain't gonna say nothing, but were you at work? But to answer your question, yes, that is something that I have been thinking about doing. It was mostly surrounded with editing, but I really think it could be a lot of fun to incorporate all of the tech, all of the equipment, the cameras, the lenses, lighting, and all that stuff. I will tell you this right now, the camera that I'm using right now, I would not recommend it for YouTube. I am moving into becoming a professional cinematographer, videographer, and all that good stuff. So this camera makes sense for me, but for YouTube, it is overkill. But I think that could be something really fun to incorporate. So y'all let me know if you are down for a class where I go through editing, setup, and lighting and equipment. I give you referrals on cameras that I think will be better suited for YouTube. We can do all that. So comment down below, let me know if that is something that you're interested in. So if you would like to submit a question, once again, just hop over to my Instagram, link is in the description, and I will answer it for you in an upcoming video. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful. Peace. Let me find some glasses with lenses actually in them. Let's do this. Hey, what's going on, Gyms? Jillian from Gym Naturals. That's all, folks. Head over to my Instagram and damn, I was doing so well. But that idea would actually be a lot of fun to. What just happened? Or what have you. It was mostly surrounded with all right, deep breaths. This might be funny, but it's not right now. Okay. I feel like I should just redo all of this. I think I am. I think I'm just gonna redo all this. Okay.